One of the worst things that happens to me is when I get a phone call and I have to tell someone that even though they were hurt at work, it's not going to be covered under workers' comp. The problem is there have been many loopholes through the years that have occurred. It has to be a specific, immediate event. Meaning that if you are lifting 10 boxes and at the end of lifting those 10 boxes your back is hurting and you've injured your back, it will not be covered under workers' comp. But if you can barely recall that when you were lifting the third box you felt a pull or a sensation, it will be covered under workers' compensation. The problem is many times you are specifically hurt at a specific time, but you don't even really recall it or think it's important to realize that, oh, when I was lifting that fifth pallet at work, or oh, when I was lifting that fifth bucket of paint, that it was going to be such a serious injury. And so you just remember, oh, that afternoon, that day I was lifting paint buckets. And then your case is going to be denied. So it is very important to remember, and it's also very important to tell your doctors that I was lifting a bucket, a box, because that way it will be covered under workers' compensation. I've written a book for you, and it's called The Ultimate Guide to Workers' Compensation in Virginia, and it's to help injured workers go through the process of a workers' comp claim and being able to do it so they can get the most benefits and have the least problems as possible. So you can go to my website at Injured Workers Law Firm and get this book for free. It will be mailed to you with no obligations.